We are going to see the third problem. Prove that the PR equation of the cardioid r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta is p square equal to r cube by 2a. Given in the problem given r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, by multiplying a inside we get a equal to a minus r equal to a minus a cos theta. Differentiating both sides with respect to theta, we get differentiation of r with respect to theta is dr by d theta. Differentiation of constant a is 0 minus a is constant, so we write as it is. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Minus into minus we get plus dr by d theta equal to a sin theta. The PR equation is 1 by p square equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r power 4 dr by d theta the whole square. 1 by r square plus 1 by r power 4 instead of dr by d theta we substitute a sin theta the whole square. A sin theta the whole square we get a square sin square theta. The LCM of r square and r power 4 is r power 4. So we multiply the numerator by the first term by r square. So 1 into r square we get r square plus a square sin square theta by r power 4. In the problem we have r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So instead of r we want to substitute a into 1 minus cos theta the whole square plus a square into sin square theta by r power 4. We use the formula a minus b the whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square into 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus a square into sin square theta by r power 4. A square minus 2a square cos theta plus a square sin cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Next step, first two term we write as it is a square minus 2a square cos theta. Last two term we have a square the constant we can take outside a square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta we get 1. So a square plus a square minus 2a square cos theta by r power 4. A square plus a square we get 2a square minus 2a square cos theta by r power 4. In the problem we have r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta equal to r by a we get 2a square into 2a square in both term we have 2a square as common. So we take 2a square outside. 1 minus cos theta by r power 4. 2a square into instead of 1 minus cos theta we can substitute r by a by r power 4. So a square and a get cancel. We get 2a by r cube. 1 by p square equal to 2a by r cube. So we take a reciprocal on both sides. We get p square equal to r cube by 2a is the required PR equation. We can see the next problem, fourth problem. From the polar equation of the parabola, so that p square equal to ar. The polar equation of the parabola, this is a result, some result we are using. Polar equation of the parabola is 2a by r equal to 1 minus cos theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, differentiation of 1 by r is minus 1 by r square. We can use the formula also. What is the formula for differentiation of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. So we take 1 by r as r power minus 1. So we can differentiate using the differentiation minus 1 into r power minus 1 minus 1. So we get minus 1 by r square. 2a is constant, so we can write as it is. 1 by differentiation of 1 by r is minus 1 by r square into differentiation of r is r with respect to theta, dr by d theta equal to 1 is constant, so 0 minus differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus into minus we get plus sin theta. Dr by d theta we get in the left hand side we have minus 2a by r square. By cross multiplying this we get minus r square sin theta by 2a. The PR equation is 1 by p square equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r power 4 dr by d theta the whole square. So 1 by p square equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r power 4. Instead of dr by d theta, we substitute minus r square by sin theta by 2a the whole square. So r power 4 get cancel. 1 by r square plus sin square theta by 4a square. 2a equal to 2a by r equal to 1 minus cos theta. So 1 by r equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2a. Squaring on both sides, we get 1 by r square equal to 1 minus cos theta the whole square by 4a square. 4a square. 1 by r square, instead of 1 by r square, we can substitute 1 minus cos theta the whole square by 4a square plus sin square theta by 4a square. The LCM of two term is 4a square. We can use a minus b the whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta by 4a square. Cos square, the two term, adding the two term, cos square theta plus sin square theta, we get 1. 1 plus 1, we get 2. 2 minus 2 cos theta by 4a square. 2 into 1 minus cos theta by 4a square. Instead of 1 minus cos theta, we can substitute 2a by r. 1 minus cos theta, instead of 1 minus cos theta, we can substitute 2a by r. 2 into 2a by r by 4a square. 4a by r into 1 by 4a square. 4 get cancel. A also get cancel. We get 1 by p square equal to 1 by ar. We get, taking the reciprocal, we get p square equal to ar is the required equation. Find the PR, we can see the next problem, fifth problem. Find the PR equation of r theta equal to a, r equal to a theta. So, two subdivisions. We go to the first subdivision, solution. Given r theta equal to a. Differentiate with respect to theta. We can use the formula u into v. R into differentiation of theta with respect to theta is 1. So, r into 1 plus theta into differentiation of r with respect to theta is dr by d theta equal to 0. So, we get r, we go to the next side. Take to the next side. So, we get theta into dr by d theta equal to minus r. Dr by d theta equal to minus r by theta. The PR equation is 1 by p square equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r power 4 dr by d theta the whole square. R theta equal to a. From this we get theta equal to a by r. So equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r power 4 dr by d theta, we can substitute minus r by theta the whole square. So we take the LCM of r square and r square theta square. We get the LCM is r square theta square. In the first term, in the denominator, we didn't have theta square. So multiply the numerator by theta square plus 1 by r square theta square. Instead of theta, we can substitute a by r. Instead of theta, we can substitute a by r. A by r the whole square plus 1 by r square into, instead of theta, again we can substitute a square by r square. We take LCM and we get a square plus r square by r square into 1 by a square. So we get a square plus r square by r square a square. Taking the reciprocal, we get p square equal to a square r square by a square plus r square is the required equation. So we can go to the second subdivision. Given r equal to a theta, differentiate with respect to theta, dr by d theta equal to, we get a. Differentiation of theta with respect to theta is 1. The PR equation is, the formula is 1 by p square equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r power 4 dr by d theta the whole square. Instead of dr by d theta, we can substitute a. So we get 1 by r square plus 1 by r power 4 into a square. LCM of r square and r power 4 is r power 4. In the first term, we have only 1 by r square. In the numerator, we want to multiply r square. So we get r square plus a square by r power 4. 1 by p square equal to r square plus a square by r power 4. Taking the reciprocal, we get p square equal to r power 4 by a square r square plus a square is the required equation.